to help them on their journey. Stand Up and Step Out brings business leaders from the community together to help people with different services, from financial literacy to buying a home. Uri Realty owner Stephen Alexander is here along with Candace Tolbert, owner of Assist Financial Group. And good morning. It's great to have both of you here with us today.
Good morning.
Well, we want to begin with the overall concept of this program. It's a great seminar touching on several different things. Let's begin with you, Candace.
Yeah, this program, basically, we've come together. It's called Stand Up and Step Out. And what we're trying to do is encourage people, regardless of what their situations are, that we can work together as a collaborative effort to change their situation.
And you know, too, I think that's one of those things where if it's all in one place, it really helps people as well.
It does.
What about from the home buying or selling standpoint? What's your component, being a realtor, as part of this seminar to help people?
Right. I basically talk about buying a home from start to finish, and we also have other components where Dwight Moody is going to talk about insurance, and Jonathan Barber is going to talk about loan programs, and also the grant programs, because there's a lot of grant money out there. And also we have Tiffany that's going to talk about credit repair, because a lot of times people think because their credit is bad that they can't buy a home. So we just wanted to show people that if there's a will, there's a way, that you can really obtain home ownership through any circumstances out there.
And Candace, what about the financial side too, being that you're the expert there? What tips can you give our viewers as far as the financial things that you guys would cover at the seminar?
One of the things we're doing a lot with is helping people create revenue streams. So we're doing a lot with helping people start their own business. So if they have an idea that they want to start a business, Assist Financial Group will work with them on creating their business plan, helping them get funding for their business, and really support their venture so that they can create those streams of revenue to change their financial situation.
And a lot of people are even out of work today. Do you guys kind of touch on those type of topics as well?
Yes, we do. We do a lot with interviewing, resume writing, and helping them as far as trying to find placement with jobs and things of that as well.
And Steve, I know this is a free seminar. What can you tell people as far as coming on out, just being open to the prospect of maybe learning something new?
You definitely want to come out, because, I mean, for our past seminars, people have been really overwhelmed about the information that we get, because a lot of times people don't really know what's available to buy homes, to start businesses. So people are just excited. They just empowered from this coming out to our seminar. So they definitely come out, and you're going to get a lot of great information about everything too. Like I say, obtain a home ownership and also start a business.
Well, we want to let everyone know about the next one that's coming up. The next Stand Up and Step Out will take place at Brown Mackie College at 1011 Glendale Milford Road. It's on June 27th on a Monday from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. and it is free, so that is great for people to have that information as well.
Yes.
And thank you so much for sharing it. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.